Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today my name is Stylebyreme, and if you're here for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post my next video. So today's video is not a tutorial, neither is it a sewing vlog. Today I just want to quickly share with you guys what YouTube sent me, which is super amazing, because I am just here looking at all of these and I'm just looking back at how this started, and all I can say is I'm grateful. So this came in the mail yesterday. I hit 100,000 subscribers I think a month ago, and I applied for the plaque a couple of weeks back, and finally yesterday it came and I'm super excited. I wasn't even at home when it came. My sister collected it for me and called me to tell me that they sent me my YouTube award. I was so excited. So I want to just quickly open it up with you guys and just share with you guys what it looks like. I know you guys have seen a lot of these videos online, so this is not the first time we are seeing this. So I'll just go ahead and cut it out and let's open it and see. So I think, how do we open this? So it comes like this. Okay, there's something else here. Let's cut it off. Okay. Wow. So this is here. So this is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see this. So this is it right here. And then I have a small note. It says, congratulations on your subscribers milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievements and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. So this is so nice. And then we have this that everybody seems to get. Do you remember your first subscribers, your 100 or your 1000 subscribers? Chances are you do, and we know you definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Oh god, I can't continue to read these things are online every single time. You see it everywhere. So yeah, this is so exciting. This is so exciting. Oh wow. So yeah, this is so clean. Wow, it's like literally a mirror inside here. This is so nice. Wow, Stylebyreme for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. So guys, this is it, and all I can say is thank you so much. This would not be possible without you guys hitting on that subscribe button. That's the only reason why I'm holding this plaque right now, because you guys keep subscribing, you guys keep engaging, you guys keep watching my videos, and all I can say is thank you so much. I really appreciate. This is for every single one of you guys. This is not for me, this is for all of us. Thank you so much. So yeah, that's basically all. I just wanted to unbox this with you guys, and also to encourage anyone out there who is still thinking about this YouTube thing, or just generally whatever it is that you're doing. Just keep showing yourself, just keep being consistent. Just put yourself out there, let people know that this is who you are and this is what you do. Forget about what people will think of it. Just keep pushing yourself, and trust me, you're going to get results at the end of the day. So basically that's all for this video. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's all I can say. I really appreciate this, and I do not take it for granted. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.